Hey guys, just want to make this quick video to give a big shout out to Nico Moreno and his course, the chatbot course for entrepreneurs. This course is absolutely amazing. Taking the route of a chatbot is so much more personalized and better than just a funnel or just a quiz. And what I've done is, and I'm so excited because I just launched it today. By the way, the course is worth every penny. Being involved in the student group, being able to collaborate with others, it's amazing. And what I've been able to do is take my funnel and take my quizzes that I've used and literally consolidate it into this chatbot. And already I have people opting in, and already, they're making it way down the line in the chatbot, more so than they were in my funnel, because it's so engaging to people. And the reason why you'd want to take a look at this course and seriously consider getting it, I mean, I would just get it right now if I were you, is because it's really just going to take time out of the equation. And Nico lays it out all very perfectly and easily for you in the course. Short videos, easy to follow, and I am so stoked to be growing my business using chatbots. So Nico, huge thank you. You're awesome. I first met Nico at an internet marketing event a few years ago, and Nico's a great guy. The course is great, and what chatbots can do for you and your clients and your business is absolutely unbelievable. Make sure you jump on this course right now. Nico, thanks again, and I'll talk to you guys soon.